Hi, I'm TJ with Forensic Detailing Garage, located here in Cranbrook, New South Wales, Australia, and today we're working on a flooded vehicle. Now that we remove the water, we have to find and fix the source of the leak. The job took us about 16 hours to do. We were able to get all the water out, the smell out, the mold out, and the car was returned to the customer in a great condition, and they were extremely happy. I'm TJ with Forensic Detailing Garage. Hey, thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.